That's not authentic. You should push it out and then do that.
No, this first. Remember the scene in back there?
No.
How are we on that side?
I think we're okay for now.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay, I got it. We'll keep it right against the shed.
We're clear down here.
We're really close to the shed, but it's okay. Oh, I can't fit anymore. I just want more space. Okay, that's probably good.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Aaron Cake. This is my project Tina. This is literally the first startup. The whole thing's going to be live on camera. I'm not going to do any cuts or anything, so if it doesn't start, you'll see it not start. When it starts, you'll see it start. It's ready to go. I've just primed the fuel system, adjusted the fuel pressure. So here we go. Okay, I'm going to start the car. What?
No.
Oh. Holy hell, here we go.
Probably the same. It's running like the amount of fuel that he has to be ready for is for he's grounded with it right now. So that's just the default setting. You can smell the gas from here. I mean, there's tons of raw gas in there. That's the reason. High pressure.
Started first try. It's a little flooded now, but it started first try. So, there you go. Okay, go ahead.
Don't go on the street. It's moving.
it is.
Do my brake lights work, by the way?
We're all gonna die! Your mum was all freaking out as you're driving down the road.
I like this clutch.
Yeah. It's not very on and off.
It's not bad. According to my stock temp gauge, the car's supposed to burn down.
Water 94 still. What's that vibration sound? Exhaust?
Who the hell knows? Ah, no break. We'll get a party. That was boost.
92 degrees.
What?
92 degrees.
Yeah, see, it's coming down now. It's just the fan. She cruised along pretty nicely.
Yeah.
Again, no brakes, no brakes, no brakes, no brakes, no brakes.
You have e-brake. So this is the worst film ever.
It's fine. That's the point. It has to be that. Bet you my fan's on now. I was hoping I could turn around.
Water 90 degrees.
I can't turn around. This throttle body's not as touchy as I thought it would be.
The clutch has got some play to it.
I keep having the...
Like this. 90 degrees.
Yeah, it's just the fan is on now.
I have no...
you have the
It
stylus?
died. I can't see. There's nothing on the laptop right now.
It's okay.
Oh, it's just shut off.
The transmission's not leaking. I think the transmission... Oh no, that's the Vaseline I put on.
No, it's just the exhaust.
The thing's right there, yeah.
Yeah, it's just a... You're 92.
Yeah, the stock temperature gauge must be all wacky. Oil temperature is 190.
Oil is... I don't see oil.
That guy scared the crap out of me.
Actually, that wasn't bad.
What?
It wasn't bad considering. I don't see oil anywhere on here.
Oil temp? It's not listed. Oil
Oh.
temp's right there.
Oh. That's not bad. So I think that was the worst video ever, but what can you do?
This, by the way, is Jeff, or Srub on the forum. He's always been here for an extra set of hands. So, we want champagne. A little bit.
Yep. It's fine.
One for my dad.
Thank you.
Probably one for my mom.
Frosties for mine.
Naomi Wen.
Oh no, that's fine. Oh no,
Okay.
that's it.
That's okay.
Oh no, I wanted to get you when you drove out.
It'll be a
Can't drive
burnout.
out.
How much you want?
Pardon?
Very, very little.
Can't
Okay.
drive out.
Yes, you can.
Is that good?
It doesn't matter.
Oh, sorry. I thought you wanted more.
There are only 3 pictures.
It's okay.
It's fine.
We're still on camera. If everybody can do the toast thing, we'll do the toast thing. It's been a while. Hopefully the break-in will go fine. I won't seize my engine or anything, so cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Thank you so very much, Jeff. I have many fond recollections.